Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily share your BeReal on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up BeReal app. Then right here tap at your profile picture, and on that step just select a BeReal that you want to share on Instagram. I'm just gonna pick the last one with that blurred face, and right now all you have to do in order to share it on Instagram is just hit right here at Instagram icon, and it opens up Instagram. You have to be logged into your Instagram profile on Instagram app, obviously, in order to do that. And after that you can edit that story as a regular story on Instagram. You can scale it, you can rotate it, you can move it around, you can add there some stickers like a location sticker, for example, and also you can type in here some text, and once you finished with that you can just hit at that arrow icon, and you can share this story to your stories or to your close friends, or you can send it via messages to any user just in that way, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.